Welcome to DOL 9, Quotation with Front Attribution. Your learning target today? I can evaluate sentence structures for grammatical errors, sentence types, and parts of speech. Quotation with front attribution means enclosing the speaker's words while giving credit to the speaker at the beginning. Jill exclaimed, "She found the treasure!" Notice that Jill exclaimed is the attribution. She found the treasure is the quotation. Exclamation points, question marks, and periods are always included in front attribution. They are the ending to your sentence. Commas are used to continue the sentence. So when we see Jill exclaimed, we're going to keep going. Make sure you have a comma there. Let's go visual. Steve thought, "Best dance moves ever." He was an amazing squirrel. Notice we're giving credit to Steve and what he thought. We add in a comma. Then we have our quotation marks. We've capitalized best dance moves ever. At the end, we have an exclamation point for the end of our sentence, and we round it all off with quotation marks. Bill said, "I have arrived." Please notice that after said there is a comma, then quotation marks. We've capitalized the I, there's punctuation at the end, and we round it off with a quotation mark. All right, let's diagram this sentence. Bill is our subject noun. Said is our action verb. I have arrived. I is a subject pronoun. Have is a helping verb, helping the verb arrived, which is an action verb. We can see it happen. Mary screamed, "That hurts!" We'll notice that, of course, we've capitalized the start of our sentence. We've put a comma. Then we've got our quotation marks, a wonderful capital at the start of our quotation marks, punctuation, and rounding it off with quotation marks again. If we diagram the sentence, we see Mary is our subject noun. Why? Because she screamed, and that is an action verb. That hurts. That, we don't know what it is, but it's a subject pronoun referring to something. Hurts is our action verb. I notice in this sentence that Joe has been capitalized like any good start to the sentence. We have a comma after asked, quotation marks, along with a capital A for "Are you sure?" question mark, quotation marks at the end. Let's diagram our subjects and our verbs. Joe is our subject noun. What is he doing? He's asking, which is an action verb. Are you sure? Are is acting as a linking verb here. You is our subject pronoun. Sure is in fact an extra added word modifying you. If it's modifying how you feel, this would be an adjective. Now it's your turn to practice. I'm going to pause. Make sure you add in your own front attribution with quotation at the end, remembering all the important characteristics like where the quotation marks go, where you should have capitals, and of course your end punctuation and commas. Let's give it a try. I'm so glad you're done. Let's go ahead and turn and talk with your partner now. Share what you've written. All right, now it's your time to do some editing. You'll notice that there are 9 mistakes that need to be corrected. I'll pause, you go through and make the needed corrections. All right, let's correct. Mom is the start of the sentence and should be capitalized. Instead of a period here, we should have a comma. The quotation marks are in the right spot, but were should be capitalized. Also, because this is were or we are, we need to have an apostrophe. Goes does not make sense in this instance. Going would be a better choice. Disney should be capitalized, and so should world, because they are they're together making a proper noun. At the end, we have got some punctuation. I think this calls for an exclamation point. And we round it off with quotation marks. Let's go through and double check that we got everything we needed. Nine corrections. We made it. Let's practice. Go ahead and start your quizzes for your test-like practice. Make sure to examine your own sentences and identify what we've practiced. Rewrite your simple sentences to demonstrate your understanding. And of course, do your day-by-day practice. Rewatch this lesson as much as you need. Download the PDF from Canvas and find a practice that works for you.